51 more, guys, number 51. It's 2001. Dodge Durango! Got 8 jumpers out, nice yeah. All right, here we go. I got 2 $20 left. You got 2 $25. You got 2 $25. Come on! Item 23. 2005.
Hey, this is the I mean, I would know. I didn't even look at that one earlier.
4, 5,
I mean, they are different, you know, you never know. You see, on the white one, at least the lights work.
At least, look, we riding home, right? I like this one, but you know what? It didn't run under by itself. I gave it a toe too.
Are you sure? 2002 Ford Explorer.
Oh, I do want that one.
You want this one?
300, I need it.
It's a 2005 Chevy Equinox. Check it out, check it out. Here we go, here we go. righty. $400 come out for the quarter. I got about 450. Item 26, folks, that's the working budget. 2001 BMW. $196 for the key. That reminds me of an old bumper sticker I think. All righty, 2001 BMW. 350 about 375. I got 350 about 375, about 4. 400 about, I got 4 here about 4. Item number 30, item number 30, the 2005 Chrysler Pacifica. That's Item 34, folks, for 1992 Ford Ranger. Got a 6-cylinder on that, 15 on the 40 running. Check it out, check it out. Here we go, here we go. All right, I got 250, about 275. I got 275, about 300. A 1998 Ford Escort. Got a 4-cylinder automatic transmission. Check it out, check it out. All right, we got 2 Ford. I'm going to about 250 right there. About 275. I'm going to 250. I'm going to look at the back. I'm going to look at the back. 42. 2001 Chevy Mesa. 6-cylinder automatic transmission. Check it out, check it out. 250 about 275. I got 275 about 3. I got 275 about 300. 275. What? Good. Go.
No one. Oh, God.
46. It's a 2002 Lexus IS 300. Got a 6-cylinder automatic transmission. Got $196 each. 325 about 350 about 325 about 375. I got 375. 465. Out of 45. 2005 Nissan Sentra 4-cylinder automatic transmission. 300 about 350 about 350. Got 325 about 350. Got 325 online. 275 Item number 20, the 2004 Ford Expedition. Got a 8-cylinder automatic transmission. Got $120.
You got that blue card.
got 300 about $325. Item 19 is the 2001 Ford
Hey, how many miles? Hey, Buck, how many miles?
Ready? All right, here we go. All right, I got all right, ready for 2003. 100! Hey. What's that? Item 38 is the 2003 Honda Civic. Got a 4-cylinder automatic transmission. Got $196 PT. Got a good brand. Got a little shiny box on the quarter round straight. Check it out. I got $270 about $300. I got $270 about $300. I got $300 mine about $300. I got $300.
Dang, guys, the Infiniti that we was gonna get is coming in on a forklift. So yeah, we're really not getting none here today. This is what I was really coming back to see if it was running good or not.
33, 2001 Infiniti I-30. 2001 Infiniti I-30. Got a 25. And it's self-started. 6-cylinder automatic transmission. Check it out. I got 250 about 275. I got 250 about 270. Check it out, folks. I like that color. 2002 Cadillac Escalade. Got 8-cylinder automatic transmission. Check this out, folks. Beautiful car outside. This is what I said. Beautiful car outside. All right, here we go. All right, I got 300 about about 300 out. I got 300. What's the one? $53 2008 Honda CBR 600. Hey, maybe not to have it. Right. Item 39, 39. 2006. Pierre Rio, Ford Senator, Daniel Jackson, 49,000. Good job, folks. Good job. Now, 6:45 here. All right. I got 300 feet on my 400.
What's wrong with the window? You haven't been
Honda Fit.
Oh, that's not so much. I still give them $100 for it.
Item 49, 48, Maxwell, Blue Congo.
What you doing?
Oh, it got reversed, but it don't got to go.
Reverse work. Not petty for you.
2005.
Go forward.
Fort Cheyenne.
Not that far.
$331.52. All right, here we go. All right, $31, there's a 2004 Lincoln gun car on the footwear. Got 40,000 miles, 40,000 miles back. So we know. All righty, I got it back. Yeah. 2011 Cadillac CTS. That's what I'm taking to 2555. That's going to get strong and work on this kind of car. All right, we got 300, we got 300, we're not going to have. We got 25, we got 300, we got 48. Out of 48 folks. 2018 Cadillac ACS. We got $8,600. That's the research, 8,600 miles. 8,000 miles. 10,000? I got 10,000. I got 10,500. I got 10,500 on 11. I got 11,500. on line 12. 15,000 about 15,500.